how Somali sounds to a non-Somali speaker. Have you ever thought about how your language might sound to someone who has no idea what's being said? Let's dive in and see. Korlan selmak juftan filmir torlak somten dulfik jurkin melran tulpik belfin jormak samtik beltan bolak somran tremvik verlop jultan kilmar santik. Ternak julfin dilmar tamrat selfik jormak boltan kilan ternik julmak dorlin kilban belak tantor jomlak sultan dorvin trelmak kilan. Tremrand milfik kanmor jolan solvik dorban bilman terfik julkin kilan forlik julmak samten julfik. No, this isn't what real Somali sounds like. Because it's not Somali, it's just gibberish like my channel name suggests. But there will always be some who missed the point and comment that's not what Somali sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. I swear. I can already see those comments rolling in. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob speak more languages in hilarious gibberish.